Most birds fear fast-moving water, but one tiny bird dives straight into it. Meet the deeper, the only songbird on earth that can walk underwater. High in icy mountain streams, where the current is powerful enough to sweep away fish, the deeper does something almost unbelievable. It jumps into the raging water, disappears beneath the surface, and simply starts walking along the riverbed. No webbed feet, no special feints, just incredible strength, perfectly adapted claws and wings that act like underwater paddles. Every second beneath the surface is a race against time. The freezing water steals heat from its tiny body, while the relentless current tries to drag it away. Its prize: tiny insects, freshwater shrimps, fish eggs, and even small fish hiding between the rocks. To survive this icy dive, the deeper has a built-in survival gear. A waterproof coat sealed with special oil traps air around its feathers like a natural wetsuit. Its heartbeat slows. Its eyes are protected by a transparent third eyelid. An extra oxygen stored in its blood keeps it underwater. Then, just as suddenly as it vanished, it bursts back through the surface, shakes off thousands of sparkling droplets, and begins singing as if nothing happened. A beautiful melody from a bird that just conquered a river. In a world where most birds rule the skies, the deeper choose a different kingdom. The wild freezing rivers that few creatures dare to challenge. Tiny, fearless, extraordinary. The next time you hear the rush of a mountain stream, remember, there may be a bird walking on the riverbed beneath your feet. And please, before you go, like and follow for more wildlife stories. But in all their deeping abilities, they did not create themselves. The hand of the Almighty God made them all. Thanks for watching.